Thobal Municipal Council TMC की jurisdiction manungda leiba properties, land and building khudingmak unique identification UID number pinabagidama property profile registration tauba ngasidagi hongdokre. Property profile registration tauba hongdokiba aduga mari leinana ngasi TMC की conference hall da pangthokpa pawgi mifam amada council asigi chairperson Khangembam Biswajit hai Property profile registration ase Thobal Municipal Council ge councillor amade staff singdagi hana tauba hobani. Registration ase council asige manung chana leiba ward khudingmakta chathagani. Masida ward member sing amade miyamna mateng pangbiu haina mahangna phongdoki. Mahangna makatana hai UID asina Thobal Municipal Council gi thabak thoram singda yamna laithok halagani. Tax user charge amade fee collection na chingbagi thabak singsu UID asina yamna kana halagane loinana chai asidagi municipal council asina konba mafam singda property tax lauba hona ba pandam su thamli haina mahangna makha takhi.
Thobal Municipal Council gi jurisdiction manung da leiba properties, land and the building khudima UPIN unique property identification number PIN number khongthang ama hoina property profile registration tobai thabang asi howe registration asigi ahobada council asigi honorable Councillor amasung staff sing register tawgina hogdoki property registration asi council asigi ward punamak athuba matamda pangtholagani masida property owner punamana sahjog pibinama khanganjari UPIN asina Thobal Municipal Council gi governance ta dahalagani municipality asina piba service khodimak amasung municipality planning tawbada kanan lagani tax user charging fee collection asina chingba thabak thoram singda lahalagani akata na council asigi jurisdiction manungda sahi asidagi property tax loba hognaba pandam thami
Pauki mifam aduda saruki hakiba TMC gi senior executive officer Moirangthem Samuel na hai council asina konba mafam da leiriba yum ingkhona chingba sing ase dingthina record tawnabagi pandamda unique properties identification number ase howdopani changeng oina ngasi council asigi councillor amadi staff singi property profiling tawki makatana property profiling tawraku matamda council asigi manungda leiba miyamna su mateng pangbiu haina mahakna miyamda appeal tawki paugi mifam aduda Manipur Municipality Property Tax Bank MMPTB gi secretary Maishnam Nando amade MMPTB gi Deputy Secretary Joyce Kemsu Saryaki
Maruina koi Thobal Municipal Council jurisdiction manungda leiriba koi isa gi property haibadi yum amasung athopa ingon gi ata mari lenana koi unique property identification number aina koi isa gi property gi number ama koi profiling tobigi thabak asidagi koi sathaba hore maruina koi councillor amasung staff sing adu athopa pacha kharagi so koina profiling se chayeng ama tawboina ngasidagi sathaba hojabani asta Thobal Municipal Council gi manungda leiriba pacha singa cooperation amasung sahjog pibiduna Thobal Municipal Council gi municipal servicing da hena koina servicing pibada kumang chawsana na bai damangta mayamda appeal tawje